Shalom. As you prepare to leave home for Eretz Yisrael after Parashat Shoftim, I thought I'd bring to your attention some aspects of a certain mitzvah in Parashat Shoftim which require some original thinking. Things are surprising and as such require an answer. I'll present the problems to you and the answer, Mirz Hashem, when you come to Michlala. It was Ibn Ezra who said, Ki hapli'ah yesod hahaskala, namely, the element of surprise or intellectual curiosity is the foundation for all solid learning. In Parashat Shoftim, we have the case of going to war, and there the Torah says that Mi ha'ish hayarei v'rach halevav, a person who is afraid of battle, he goes home, which seems rather strange. Yilech v'yashov lebeito. After all, most people are afraid of going into battle. He may be killed, that's the most natural thing in the world. Why should he receive exemption from his military service? But if we look in the history of Tanakh, we will find that this principle seems to apply right through the Tanakh. Here we find Moshe Rabbeinu. Hashem wants to send him to go to Mitzrayim to release Bnei Yisrael. And it says, Hashem says to him, Leich shuv Mitzrayim, ki metu kol ha'anashim ha'mevakshim et nafshecha. Moshe Rabbeinu says, you can go back to Mitzrayim. You know why? Because it's safe. Because those people who are trying to kill you, he says, they've already died. In which case, I can give you permission to go back. From which I can deduce that if they hadn't died, he wouldn't have asked them to go back to Mitzrayim, even though the whole of Klal Yisrael needs Moshe Rabbeinu to take them out of Mitzrayim. Furthermore, we find in Shmuel Aleph, Perek Zayin, that Hashem wants to send Shmuel to anoint David HaMelech as king in the place of Shaul, and the entire future of Klal Yisrael depends on David Melech Yisrael. V'yom Hashem el Shmuel, he says, Malei karnecha Hashem, and he says, V'leich eshlachacha Yishai, I'm sending to Yishai, you'll find his son there, and you make him, anoint him as a king. V'yom Shmuel eich eleich v'shema Shaul v'haragani, he says, you can't send me, he says, just like that back to the house of Yishai. Shaul will just hear about it from his agents all over the country, and I will be killed. And Akash Baruch Hu agrees with him. He says, by the way, it's okay, so I accept your argument. He says, Eglat bakar tikach biyadecha. You take an eglat bakar, you tell people you're coming to make a korban, and nobody will notice it. And in the meantime, you can anoint David HaMelech as the future king of Israel. So once again, we see here for the third time that if it's dangerous, the person is not required to give his life to save Klal Yisrael, which is very strange. Furthermore, in Chet HaEgel, if we remember, which is Avodah Zarah, and their Chayev Miso, Moshe Rabbeinu says, Mi Lashem Elai, who's prepared to volunteer to help? He didn't impose his will on Shevet Levi. He says, who's prepared to volunteer? So from here we see, both from Moshe Rabbeinu with the Chet HaEgel, Shmuel appointing David, Moshe Rabbeinu going to save Bnei Yisrael, Ami ha'ish hayarei v'rach halevav, right through the entire Tanakh we see that a person is not required to endanger himself in order to save Klal Yisrael. And that seems very strange. What kind of an army will we have if everybody who says, I'm scared stiff, will not have to go to the army? Mirz Hashem, we can discuss it at length when you come to Michlala, and I hope you'll find a proper solution. Have a safe trip. Tzeitkhem l'shalom, u'boachem l'shalom.